Here's one of our pickers in her pick zone, and you can see as she's picking the packages, she's also taking time to put them in an appropriate arrangement within the box. And here is the same picker from the other direction, and continuing what we saw before, that as she picks the products, she takes time to put them appropriately in the box. And here are the boxes going by. You can see they've been somewhat prearranged, and they'll be checked again when they get to the packing area. And here's upstairs of the pick line, and you can get another view of the packages going by and see what they look like after they've been arranged by the pickers. And again, to emphasize, these packages, once they go to the packing area, they're checked one more time. So this is just the preliminary arranging of the products. And here are the boxes coming into the packing lane after they've come from the picking area. And you can see what the condition of the arranging of the products is in these boxes. And this again is before they go to the secondary person who validates the arranging. And this is that person actually doing the double check on the boxes. And you can see there's very little that she has to do, but if there is something that can be improved or rearranged, she does do that. And now these are the packages after the secondary person has rearranged the packaging, and you can see what they look like. This is as good as the arranging is going to get with the mix of our products. And here's the package going into the packing station. And you can see that the packing is placed in, not too much, but just enough to hold the products in place. And this person also is responsible for doing a final check of the package, of the products within the package, to make sure that everything is as good as it can get before the fill is put in place.